Video, we will learn how we can get the same data in multiple cells in our spreadsheet. Before we continue, let me make a couple of small corrections to the data that we have. Let me fill in the author name for the third book. And let me also correct that this is actually the purchase price and not the maximum retail price of our books. And so these are the prices for which we are purchasing these books for, and then we want to have so much margin for our profit when we sell them. Now let's say we have different versions of our book. For example, we have hardcover, softcover, and also ebook versions of these 5 books. So we have to add those books to our list of books. And in order to do so, we would like to create a new column called the type of book. So right click, insert, and that inserts a new column here, column C. And I'm going to call this book type. And let's say the first 5 books we have here are hardcover books. So in order for me to type in hardcover in all these 5 cells, one way to do that very quickly would be to select these cells and then type hardcover. And if you can see, the active cell is C3, and I'm going to type hardcover and it will be entered in cell C3. But instead of just hitting enter, I'm going to press Ctrl and enter, and that will actually put the same information, whatever we typed, that is hardcover, in all the selected cells. And this is a great method to enter the same data in several cells at the same time quickly. And also, I would recommend this method to enter the same data in non-contiguous cells. For example, if I would like to enter hardcover in cell C9, D11, E13, let's say, and I can select these and then I can type hardcover and then I hit Control and enter. Now you see the information populated in all the selected cells. So this is very, very convenient if you have to enter the same information instantly in multiple cells spread throughout the spreadsheet.